Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of logging into the MEXC exchange. MEXC exchange, a platform that's gaining traction in the crypto world. If you're looking for a seamless trading experience, this is the place to be. Why MEXC is a favorite among traders. User-friendly interface and trading pairs. First off, let's talk about why MEXC is becoming a favorite among traders. Known for its user-friendly interface and a wide array of trading pairs, MEXC allows you to easily access various cryptocurrencies in one place. Now, let's get started with the login process. Step 1. How to log in to MEXC. Accessing the website or app. To log in to MEXC, simply head over to their official website or download the mobile app. Once you're on the home page, click on the Login button, located in the top right corner. Step 2. Enter your credentials, email, phone number, and password. Enter your registered email or phone number, followed by your password. It's important to ensure your password is secure, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 3. Creating an account for first-time users. Sign up process. If you're a first-time user, don't worry. You can easily create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you've registered, you can log in using the same steps we just covered. Special tip: use referral code 12K4M5 for enhanced experience. Now, here's a special tip to make your experience even better. When you log in to MEXC for the first time, or when you refer a friend, make sure to use the referral code 12K4M5. Benefits of using the referral code: discounts and exclusive perks. Using this code not only enhances your trading experience, but also provides additional benefits within the platform. You could unlock exclusive perks, such as discounts on trading fees or early access to new features. It's a win-win situation. Exploring MEXC features, advanced trading options, and market analysis tools. After logging in, take some time to explore the various features MEXC offers, including its advanced trading options and market analysis tools. Remember, the more familiar you become with the platform, the better your trading strategies will be. Recap: importance of using referral code 12K4M5. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, MEXC has something for everyone. Don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5 to maximize your benefits. Outro: like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching this tutorial on MEXC Login. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more engaging content. Happy trading!